Hey guys, it's Thursday, so you know what that means? Thurman Thursday. And what we're doing this week is we're putting out these signs, interior painting, because we at Smile Mile Painting are we are actively looking for interior painting. As you can see, it's cloudy, it's starting to rain, and so we can't be outside, so we want to be inside. So if you have any painting needs, interior painting, you need to call this number right here, and we'll come out and take a look at it, and we'll solve your problems for you. So I'm going to go put this across the road, and what we're also doing is if you can find 7 of these signs, 7, they're all over the Tri-Cities, take pictures and send a location, you'll be entered to win one of these awesome hoodies, and I'm telling you, they are warm at the back. So, find 7 of these signs, take a picture, send the location, and you'll be entered to win a hoodie. So check this out, I'm going to run across the street, put this sign right over here. I'm going right now. Don't watch me get hit. That's how we do it. We're going to go put out some other signs. Thurman out.